Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to disable the Instagram app on your iPhone. There is a great feature that allows you to disable any app. It will be deleted but not completely. All the data will be saved in that app and you can restore it at any time. What is this for? It helps to save storage on your iPhone. How to do it? You go into your iPhone settings, go down a little bit lower and open General. Click iPhone Storage. You open this list of applications. Here we see that there is not much space left. Go down a little bit lower and find the item Instagram. And here we click the item Offload app. Click here, and now our app is offloaded. You can see how much space has been freed up by disabling our app, but all the documents and data are preserved. Now I can open my desktop and click on Instagram, and it will be loaded again with all our data. Just click and open. So that's the easy and great way to do it. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.